is Comedy Central.
Call me crazy.
No.
No means no.
To the trampoline! Yes!
No!
Yes!
You guys are the best!
Banzai!
Forget it!
That's gotta hurt, Frank.
That is so dope. Word up. Oh, boo, freaking boo.
Comedy Central, South Park, and so much more.
Yeah. Screw you guys. I'm going home.
If you don't get Comedy Central, call 1-877-COMEDY-1 or log on to our website at comedycentral.com. In the beginning, God created Adam and his friend Jimmy, and it was good. The Man Show. A whole half hour of beer commercial fun.
This ain't the view we're doing here. How good do the juggies look? I'm turning into Boner Man. This is our latest crop of inventions designed by men for men. The whoopee cushion. Birth control bonbon.
The Man Show. All the fun of a bachelor party without the hassle of getting married.
Would you like to have sex? All right then, thank you.
Sundays at 10 p.m. only on Comedy Central. If you don't get Comedy Central, call 1-877-COMEDY-1 or log on to our website at comedycentral.com. The Daily Show with Jon Stewart. Whether it's continuing coverage of the hot-button issues,
T-Rex unveiled in Chicago. Boners come out to celebrate.
scathing political commentary,
You don't want to provoke Janet Reno. She'll break free from her moorings and drop Alien in Havana personally.
or in-depth interviews with today's hottest stars,
This part's not going to be in it.
Okay, good, because my hand's gonna start to come underneath the desk.
we scour the globe for those stories other news networks let slip through the cracks.
Artist formerly known as Prince changed his name back to Prince. You're laughing at assless pants, aren't you?
What's more difficult? Being nude on stage or doing iambic pentameter?
The Daily Show with Jon Stewart, the most important news program ever.
Yeah, baby, testify.
Weeknights at 11 p.m. only on Comedy Central. If you don't get Comedy Central, call 1-877-COMEDY-1 or log on to our website at comedycentral.com. Win Ben Stein's Money, the game show where contestants compete against Stein's medulla oblongata for moolah.
What does that even mean?
Hi, I'm Ben Stein.
I think you made that up. It could get ugly.
Mr. Romance is on the scene.
All right, I'll have a margarita with salt now, buddy.
If at first you don't sack Caesar, tribe again.
These are too hard. I want to make a lifeline call.
Hello?
I'm not playing against you.
Call me freaky. Ooh, I like it when you insult me.
Proving once again that smart is sexy. Win Ben Stein's Money, weeknights at 7:30 and 11:30 only on Comedy Central. If you don't get Comedy Central, call 1-877-COMEDY-1 or log on to our website at comedycentral.com. Hey, South Park fans, you know the boys of South Park.
Oh, I think I see where this is going.
What they lack in height, they make up for in mouth.
All right, everybody, listen up. Hey, don't call me a damn piggy. Good job, dude. Well, shut up, ass master. What? I am a little pig. That second one from the left, she had it going on. All right, Chef Honey.
You're not fooling anyone.
No. Me not. You guys, yeah. You bastards. And stop your bitches.
Watch Stan, Cartman, Kyle, and Kenny mouth off every Wednesday at 10 p.m. only on Comedy Central, the home of South Park. If you don't get Comedy Central, call 1-877-COMEDY-1 or log on to our website at comedycentral.com.